Hi, I'm Nathan from Action Builders. I'm excited to show you this special home today. The homeowners came to us when their builder went into liquidation. We took on this build from the footing stage. It had its challenges, but we got these homeowners into their property. With the help of suppliers and subcontractors, we got this job done. Come and have a look. This home can accommodate the whole family. It features a beautiful kitchen with AEG appliances, stone bench tops and a separate butler's pantry. The bathrooms feature floor-to-ceiling tiles and high-end bathroom fixtures. With ducted heating, the whole home is warm and cosy. The large deck has amazing views and is as low maintenance as it can get. If you want us to be part of your story, contact us at actionbuilders.com.au.